Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐚𝐧𝐤 with another quick tip to know whether how you can enable or disable blue floating app assistant icon on your Infinix cell phone. Well, if you see this blue floating app assistant icon on applications you run on your cell phone, like Facebook, Instagram, or even games you may have installed, it may have been activated on your cell phone. So to deactivate or disable it, just click on it and then click on settings. Here, toggle this button to turn it off. Now it won't show it anymore on applications when you run them. Anyhow, if you want to enable or reactivate it, go to Palm Store and here under your profile, click on Settings. Now click on App Assistant and here you can toggle this button to enable or reactivate it. Now it will start showing the blue floating app assistant icon again. And this is how you can enable or disable blue floating app assistant icon on Infinix cell phone. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.